Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we are going to talk about the Karnataka state registration step by step procedure. So we will help you how to do registration in the state of Karnataka and what details to be entered and in what sequence. So stay tuned in this video until last. We will talk about Karnataka state first of all, some details, and then we will proceed with the registration process. Karnataka is open state and it's one of the most important state where you must consider registering. The Karnataka state allows you to register at once in the beginning, and it doesn't open the registration in the second round, neither in the third round. Those who are not qualified now, they are expecting to get qualified after cutoff is revised. They will be getting opportunity freshly to do register in the third round. Okay, so they don't need to worry. Since one time registration, so it's only applicable for those who are qualified already. So single application, not a separate application for government quota and private quota. So single application you need to do, and same application will work for NRI institutional quota, or you can say management quota, open quota and government quota in the state of Karnataka. Different clauses are there. Okay, so you need to select the clauses wisely. So many registrations are going on, and you should be now stay in very active mode where you should register. Just don't assume that the counseling has not started. The registration is very essential process of the counseling, so you must consider registering at the right moment, else later you might repent and might not be able to do the registration for particular state, which might be playing important role in getting you the seat. So first, you need to open the link on the ke.nic.kr.ke.kr.nic.in. So registration link will be there on the official website, and when you click on this new registration, so they will ask you to enter the NEET number. NEET number is nothing but the roll number which is available on your scorecard. So get the roll number from your scorecard and enter the captcha. Then click continue. It will send an OTP on your registered mobile number which you registered for NEET PG application. Enter the OTP and validate. This time they have changed the interface in comparison with the last year, and now they are asking you to take your webcam photo. So the candidate must take their own webcam photo, not some others photo. Okay, because during the verification they might match the face. Okay, so once you take the photograph, and then it will proceed for the next step, and there it will be asking you the clause and all. Okay, so for that you can refer which clause you come under. You can refer the prospectus. Okay, and wherever you get any kind of like doubt in selecting the inputs, okay, you should consult or you should refer the prospectus. Everything is given in the prospectus. There is nothing outside prospectus. Okay, if you have not given proper time, proper reading to the prospectus, you might be facing the issue. So after all those things are done, then you can need to log in with your generated username password. Application number will be generated, and password they will ask you to set. So once you log in, they will now ask you to enter so many details. Okay, on the right side you can see the information or the tab, which tab you are currently doing, and always try filling the form in the laptop or PC. So you need to these all details will be automatically fetched: candidate name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, mobile number, email address, nationality, and your resident, whether Indian or NRI. Okay, uh, means Karnataka or non-Karnataka, all the details, mother tongue. Then you have to enter your address details. So you need to enter your address details, your state, district, city, taluka. Wherever there is no, it's not mandatory, you can skip it. Then you will enter your NEET details, NEET roll number, rank, scorecard. These all things will be either populated. Some of the fields will be either automatically populated first from the application. NEET PG application. So they will be asking you eligibility details. Okay, so have you appeared for the NEET PG examination in previous year? If select yes, then they will be asking you the roll number and other details, and if you don't remember, then select no. Eligibility details. Do you want to claim Karnataka quota? What does it mean? If you are from Karnataka, okay, so you need to select yes. Or you have completed MBBS from Karnataka, then you should select yes. If you are coming under Y clause and outside, you stay outside Karnataka, you haven't done MBBS from Karnataka, then you select no. Personal disability, do you come under PH category? You select accordingly. Are you in service candidates? If you are in service, means medical officer, you are government job in Karnataka, then you select yes, otherwise no, because it will ask you to submit all the in service details later. There are some glitches in the website, okay, which if you find any kind of glitches, just email to their official email ID, where you can find the email ID on the website in the contact section. Then click next, and then they will asking you education details. On the right side, you can see general information is filled up. Now you need to enter the educational details. In the educational details, they are asking you so many things. Okay, Karnataka application particularly will ask you a lot of information which is not useful also. Okay, but you have to cope with that. 10th state where you completed your 10th, district, your 10th board, which from which board you completed the your 10th. So all the certificates you should have first, okay, so that you can fetch the information from the certificate and you can put it there. In which year you passed 10th, okay, school name, school address, even roll number they are asking, so it will be available on the mark sheet or certificate. Now same details for the 12th, means 10 plus 2, your 12th state, your district and board, in which year you passed, your roll number of the 12th, school name and address. Then one more detailed information they are asking, like starting from class 1 till class 12, you have to put all the details, like in which year completed class first. Okay, even you don't have the certificate, you must be having memory that okay, in this year completed in which state, because this information will be considered in order you completed all the schooling from 1 to 12 from Karnataka, then you will be eligible for the GMP quota. Okay, so automatically system will fetch it. So you have to enter all the correct details, district, school name and address. Okay, they are not asking you to upload all the details, but certificates, but the details need to upload. Even it's applicable for those who are from Karnataka and those who are outside Karnataka. Then you click next. Next type is qualification examination details. So what is that? Your MBBS details. So examination passed, yes. Studied from which state, district and your university name. So those who are from outside India, those who completed MBBS from outside India, then won't be able to find the university name here or the district name. So you will have option others. So you select others and they will give option to enter the exact university and college name, or the what is it, the state. In the state you can select other than India, outside India. Okay, you know, your passing year. Have you taken UG QE medical seat from KEA? If you have taken seat from KEA for the MBBS, then you have to select yes there and fill accordingly. Then comes internship details. So qualification details will be included, MBBS details and internship details. So you put the institution name and the state where the institution was located, and start date of internship and end date of internship. So totally it should be 1 year at least. Then academic history. Have you completed the MBBS in the stipulated period of the for the course? Select yes. PG pursuing status. Are you already pursuing PG? You select no in both PG and diploma. Are you currently pursuing PG diploma? No. PG holding a status. Are you already holding a PG degree? Select accordingly yes or no. Okay, then go to next. Now coming to the fourth tab, the council and rural services. Do you come under in service? If you come under in service, okay, sorry, this is for the medical registration. So enter the medical registration number uh, and name and the state. So on the medical registration certificate, all these details will be there. Then your rural service status. In the rural service status, have you completed rural service after QE? Select yes or no accordingly. Then select next. Now coming to the fifth tab, that is eligibility clause, which is really important. Here they are asking how many years of study in Karnataka. Okay, if this field is disabled, leave it like that. If they are asking you to fill up, okay, fill the exact number of years. MBBS studied in the state, you select that also. It's a read only more because they are fetching it automatically. Now coming to some clauses, okay, some radio buttons which you have to select. Parent occupation options. So these options are there. In this case, if you are not coming under like in service, no, then you select the last option, non Karnataka, okay, and submit it. Then you will come onto the eligibility clause. Okay, sometimes it takes like a wrong clause which you haven't selected during the registration. Okay, so you mail for that, it will be corrected by KEA. In service details, this will be not applicable in case you are not in service. Then you go for the next step. Now reservation and NRA award. Okay, you have to select this option very wisely. Do you want to claim any category? So if you completed MBBS from there or having the residence in Karnataka, select yes, otherwise no. For Y clause, you have to select all these things. No. In case you want to claim like Hyderabad Karnataka quota HK region 371, then you select yes, otherwise no. Do you want to claim any religious minority? So religious minority may be having the Muslim minority, Christian minority. Okay, so accordingly select yes or no. Mother tongue for LM claim, select if you come under any mother tongue, okay, and if benefit is available, then it will be rewarded, otherwise no. Do you want to claim any linguistic minority? Telugu minority, Malayalam minority, okay, all those things. Next is NRI ward reservation claims. So if you want to go for the NRI sponsorship, you should claim yes there, otherwise no. St. John's reservation claims, okay, if you have done the MBBS from St. John's, then it will be applicable. Select accordingly and submit the details. Next is review. So in the review section, it will show all the preview whatever you have filled up, okay, and then you need to print it and save it in a PDF format and then verify all the details. Then you have to check a declaration. I hereby declare that all the information furnished by me in the application form and documents submitted are true, correct, and complete to best of my knowledge and belief. I understand that any information is found false, incorrect, or misleading at any stage, my reservation shall be cancelled and I will be liable for action against as per the rules. You select it and go to the next, and then your payment option will come. Okay, so you need to do payment and all those things. So according to your clause, the payment option will show up, like how much payment you need to. Once you do the payment, the next step will be you need to upload your signature and thumb impression. Okay, that's it, the application will be completed, and again you have to download the final application which will have the signature and other details. So that's how it will be completed, but it will be asking you so many information, so you need to be patient about that and fill all the information correctly. Okay, this is how the application will be filled up. In case it is useful to you, so you can like go through it once, and if you have any kind of doubt, like you can ask us in the comment section of the video, or you can directly contact us on WhatsApp 9319128677. You can also contact for availing our paid counseling guidance for counseling of Karnataka state or Tamil Nadu, Telangana has also started the registration. Okay, so all these registration you should consider if you are interested for those states. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.